Namaste, IJVN Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Department Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So today's our topic is relation between the food, nutrition and health. Food has been a basic part of our existence. By knowing the food composition, nutritional content of the food is known. Intake of the food ensure the growth in children and youth. Maintain good health throughout the life. Meet special need of the pregnancy and lactating for every recovery from illness. A large part of our food heritage is scientifically beneficial and need to be retained. Some aspect may need to be modified in view of changes in your lifestyle. Most of the articles are published in the newspaper, magazines and may be correct, but most of it may not be. Therefore, this course will be given proper information on food and knowledge. Gain can be spread to people around so that the false ideas about food which interfere with the food sections are erased and health is not affected. Food is one of the nourishes the body. Food may also define as any substances eaten or drinking which meet the need for the energy, body building, regulations and productions of the body. Food is the material from which our body are made. Eating right kind of the food is the right amount to ensure good nutrition and health. Nutrition is the food at work in the body. It includes everything that happens from the eating food to its usage in various function of the body. Nutrition are components of food needed for body in an adequate amount for the proper growth, reproduction and leading normal life. The science of nutrition deal with what nutrient we need, in what quantity, how to get them, and how the body utilize them. Adequate, optimum and good nutrition indicate the right amount of the proportions of nutrient for the proper utilization of achieving highest level of physical, mental health. Nutritional state of the body as a result of food consumed, their utilization of the body. Nutrition status can be good, fair and poor. Good nutrition status characterized by an altered good nature personality, a well-developed body with the normal weight for the height, well-developed and firm muscles, healthy skin, reddish pink colored eyelids and membranes by the mouth, and good layer of subcutaneous fat, clear eyes, smooth and glossy hairs, good appetite and excellent general health, which recognized by the stamina to work, regular meal, the time and sound sleep and normal elimination and resistance to the disease. Health as defined by the WHO, the state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely absence of the disease or infirmity. Malnutrition, undesirable kind of nutrition lead to the ill health. It results from lack and excess or imbalance of nutrient on the diet. It includes both under and overnutrition. Undernutrition is the state of insufficient supply of essential nutrition. Malnutrition can primarily due to insufficient supply of one or more essential nutrients, and it can be secondary, which means it's result from error in metabolism, in interaction between the nutrient or the nutrients and the drug used for the treatment. Overnutrition refers to an excessive intake of one or more nutrient which creates a stress on the bodily function. Diet refers to whatever is eaten or drunken each day. It includes normal diet that is consumed either individually or in group. Diet may be modified for the making it suitable for sick and individual as a part of treatment therapeutic diet. Nutrition care using knowledge of individual of nutrition for meal planning and preparations through the meal make it in an attractive and acceptable form. In this, the existing meal can be modified to improve in terms of nutrition and acceptability. Diet can be planned for individual or a group of suit of their requirement for like health status, nutritional status, peace of living and climate, function of the food, physiological function, social function, psychological function. Physiological function of the food. First function is of the food is to provide energy. Body need energy to sustain. Involuntary process is essential for continuing of the life. It is also required for the various activity like professional, household and recreational activities. Convert food into utilizable nutrient requirement for the growth and warmth. Another important function is to bodybuilding. An infant at the birth weight 2.5 to 3 kg and growth 50 to 60 kg during the adulthood, which is possibly only if right food is the right amount is given from birth to adulthood. Food eaten also help to maintain the structure of the body and help to repair the form out of tissue. Food regulates the activity of the body, including heartbeat, maintaining body temperature, muscle contraction, water balance, blood clotting, removal of the blood clotting, and the removal of some of waste product removal of waste product from the body. Food helps in improving the immune system and improve resistance power of the body. Social function of the food. Food has always been central part of our existence, social culture, religious life. Special food are distributed during the religious function in home, temple, churches, etc. Feasts are the given and different stages of life like birth, cradle, ceremony, birth, marriages, etc. Manifests call for feeding specific segment of the people. Certain manners are associated with specific food in each religion. Food has been used as expressions of love, friendship, and social acceptance. Food is also used to express happiness like success, exams, job, marriages, birth, or baby, etc. Food for together meeting function should be planned in a proper manner to bring the people together. Physiological, psychological function of the food. In addition to physical, social need, food must satisfy certain emotional needs. It includes a sense of security, loves, attention. Familiar food usually make us feel secure. Sharing food is also a token of friendship and acceptance. In the friendly gathering, we try to unfamiliar food as the enlarge our food experiences. Anticipating need and fulfilling these are expression of love and attention. These sentiments are basic of the normal attachment to the mother cooking or the home food. If the food included unfamiliar or not tasty, then even nutritional balanced food may not be satisfactory. With the time and repeated experiences, unfamiliar and strange food become familiar and one other taste for those food. Therefore, there is aspects are then to be taken, kept in the mind while planning meals which is nutritionally adequate and enjoyable. The effective management of food intake and nutrition are both the key to the good health. Some smart nutrition and food calories can help to prevent diseases. Eating the right food can help your body cope more successful with ongoing illness. Understanding good nutrition and paying attention to what you can eat can help you maintain or improve your health. What is good nutrition? Food and nutrition are the way that we get fuel, providing energy to our bodies. We need to replace nutrients in our body with the new supply every day. Water is an important component of the nutrient, fat, protein, carbohydrate, and all require maintaining key vitamins and minerals are also important to maintaining good health. For pregnant women and adult over the 50 vitamins such as vitamin D, minerals such as calcium, iron important to consider when choosing the food to eat as well as the possible dietary supplements. A healthy diet includes a lot of nutrition, natural food. A sizable portion of the healthy diet should consist of fruit, vegetables, especially one that the red, orange and dark green, whole grains such as whole wheat, brown rice, such should also play a part of the diet for adult dietary products should be non-fat, low-fat protein can consist of lean meat, poultry, seafood, eggs and as tofu as well as unsalted seed and nuts. Good nutrition can also involve avoiding certain kind of the foods. Sodium is used heavily as processed food is food is dangerous for the people with the high blood pressure, and USFDA advise the people or adult to consume less than 100 milligram mg per day of cholesterol found in the meat and full dairy products among them. Fried food, solid fat and trans fats found in the margarines and processed food can be harmful to the heart. Refined grain, white flour, white rice, refined sugar, table sugar, high fructose, corn syrup are also bad for the long-term health, especially in the people with the diabetes. Alcohol can be dangerous to the health or in amount more than one serving per day for the women and two per day for the men. There are many high quantity free guidelines available for the healthy eating plan that give more detail on the portion of the size, total calories, consumption, what to eat, what not to eat. So there is some nutrition deficiency occur. Even if you are getting enough to eat, if you are not eating a balanced diet, you may be sick at a certain nutritional deficiency. Also, you have a nutrition deficiency due to the certain health of life conditions such as in pregnancy. A certain medication you may taken such as high blood pressure medication, people who had intentional diet diseases, intestinal diseases and had section of intestines removed due to the diseases of weight loss surgery may be risk of vitamin deficiency, alcoholism are also at risk of having nutritional deficiency. One of the most common nutritional deficiency is iron deficiency anemia. Your blood cell need iron in order to supply the body with the oxygen. If you are not get enough iron, your blood will not supply properly. Other nutritional deficiency can affect your blood cells including the vitamin B12, folate and vitamin C. Vitamin D deficiency may affect the health of your bone, making it difficult to you absorb the calcium. Other mineral may not be enough of. Although you get a vitamin D by going in the sun, many people with the concern about the skin cancer may end up with low level of vitamin D by not getting the enough sun. Other nutritional deficiency include beriberi, a low level in vitamin B1 found in the cereal husk, araboflavonosis, low level of vitamin B2, pellagra, low level of vitamin 3, paresthesia, low level of vitamin B5, leading to the pin and needle feelings, biotin deficiency, low level of vitamin B7. Say that there is a very deficiency of vitamins and other nutritional deficiency. Eating a balanced diet can help to prevent these conditions. Vitamin supplement may be necessary for the certain people such as the pregnant or nursing mothers and people with the intestinal conditions, just like some potassium deficiency occur in the certain medication and medical problems. Magnesium deficiency also can be occur in the certain medical problem with vitamin K deficiency, discovery low level of vitamin C. So there is some nutritional deficiency. So that's it. That is all about this topic, nutritional deficiency and the nutrition food and the relationship between the food. have any query, just